How to stop someone from taking screenshots on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You select on the three lines at the top right corner and scroll down to tap on privacy. So here you can simply select on restricted options and you can see all your restricted accounts. So make sure that you enable the restrict feature on your Instagram account, due to which you will allow it will allow you to control who can interact with your stories, including taking a screenshot. Now next option is to post a sensitive content as a close friend story. So you can simply create a close friends group and list and share your stories exclusively with them only. You can see your close friends or close friends list over here. So simply scroll down and tap on close friends. You can see all the list over here. So you can send them a direct message asking, you can just share exclusively with them and it would be safer for you. Next, what you can simply do is tap on the DM section and directly DM the particular person, asking them to respect your privacy and not share your content without permission. So it's important to remember that once you share something on social media, including Instagram stories, you lose some control over how others interact with that content. While you can take steps to limit who can view your stories, so if privacy is a significant concern, consider being cautious about the content you share online. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.